Hi, this is Rolf from Tesla Owners US, and today I will tell you about the most used repair what I had to do on the Model 3. And you will not believe it, but it's really the case. That's the most repair because I'm renting out the car many times, and that is the repair what I've mostly had to be done many times on the Model 3. And you will be with us today.
I pressed insane. I went insane.
So here I am at the location called Express Powder Coat Wheel Repair. And let's go in and then check that out. Yeah. Yeah. Good wheels to repair.
Yeah.
This is how you're treating them.
Yeah, that's how you treat them.
And they are been drying here, is that correct?
What's that?
Well, they are been drying here.
Cooling down. They're
Cooling down.
They don't dry, they cool down.
They cool down.
Yeah.
Okay. Here's another set. Oh, there's a damage here on that corner. That you're repairing that, yeah? This is all your job. Very nice. Oh, what are you doing with these guys?
We're making them black as well.
Black, these are for trucks, yeah?
Huh? Yeah,
For trucks?
dually.
So even big trucks are coming there. Yeah. Okay, and then here are all the wheels. And these are new wheels. So are you painting these guys as well?
What's that?
They are new wheels.
No, we're brushing those. Yeah, they're brushed.
Ah, they are brushed. They are going to be brushed. Very nice. Yeah. So that's for the tire system, right?
Correct.
Yeah. And then here, oh, you even have a BMW i8.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is he getting new wheels as well?
No, just fixing them.
Huh?
Just fixing them.
I'm fixing him?
Yeah.
Okay. He hit some curbs there as well. So this is what my customer do. They like to hit curbs.
Mine too.
Really? Yeah. I have similar wheels like this.
Yeah?
Very well, very nice guys. So these are in a pre-treatment.
Yeah, these are ready to get shot.
So they are being sandblasted or in base, yeah?
Yeah, they're sandblasted.
Yeah. And then after that they get now treated in a chamber or where
Yeah,
is that?
so they're going to go in there and then they're going to turn black. That's the oven.
Ah, here, that's the chamber, yeah? Okay, that looks good. So you hang them up there, and then you are spraying them, or?
So they spray them before, and then they go in there, and the heat makes them solidify.
Yes.
That's how they become glossy.
So basically the heat will apply, and then it just becomes glossy. They get powdered here, in this section, right? And in here, the heat makes them glossy. Or semi-gloss, or whatever.
Whatever
right?
color you choose.
Whatever color it is. Yeah, that's my wheel repair.
See, you come and get a wheels done, you're going to go through the whole process with the camera.
Yeah. So, and they do powder coating as well, painting of calipers as well. And they are really taping it off. That's actually duct tape, and then pasting it and taping everything off the entire car. Then you probably brush it, or you are sandblasting
clean
first.
it, and then paint it.
And then clean it and paint it. And for some of them, what I'm going to show you, they have even 4 layers. So a base layer, then a paint, then a pearl, and then a clear coat.
Correct.
Right. So are you giving warranty on those ones? Or how long would that last?
I believe there is a warranty, but if it's simple rock chips, it's more or less the craftsmanship.
Yes.
If something the paint starts peeling, then we'll warranty that. But if it's rock chips and all that stuff, we don't cover that.
Yeah, I would be interested in that.
Let's get it.
Because for my Roadster currently, they took the calipers off, and then they had to air it out, right? So get the air out.
Yeah.
Or how
Bleeding brakes?
Yeah, bleeding the brakes. And well, while bleeding the brakes, the brake fluid went on the paint, and then it ate it off again.
Yeah.
So, and with you don't need to do that as much better. keep in mind. The selection of all of your wheels, what you have in all different kind of colors. Also in that maroon there, in the bottom, that bright blue. Would you also copy the colors of a car? If the car is the same size for that? Yes. And then a semi-gloss satin, yeah. And also here that bronze or titanium. You can see it from here. Very nice. Okay. That is the most repair what I ever have on my cars. It's the wheel repair, powder coating wheel repair. And I come here all the time and get the repairs. I think I probably have done 10 repairs already or so. And when someone rents my cars, watch out, always a wide turn because you can scratch your wheels very easy. So now it comes to the installation, but what I do first is I have wheel bands. So, and I can reuse them even, the wheel bands. And this is a plastic strip in the middle. There. And then it's hard plastic. And then this one is a regular plastic. This goes on the edge of the wheel itself. And what I do there is I have that 3M tape. I think that's 3mm. It comes on the opposite side. So here it's a double tape. Before that I clean that with isopropyl alcohol, wipe that off on both sides, tape it on, and then I put this wheel band on top of it. Does it help? Not so much, but what it helps me is to find if there is a curb rash, because if one of these pieces is loose, then somebody got hit a curb side and wrenched the rim. And that's what I'm gonna put on again, so that I only have to wish over the whole wheel and find out if there's something loose. If there is something loose, then I know what to do. Now that's complete, and we are ready to install the wheel. What I'm gonna use there is a lot of things, to make my life easier. This is the torque wrench, 21mm piece, and it is on 175 Newton meter, 129 foot force pound. And I have an electric car jack, which I place under with a nice, as you can see it here, ice hockey puck. And then you can lift up the whole car, and there is a 1 inch Oops, now it's inside. So 1-inch tube in there, which actually fits exactly in there. So very easy, you can drill it for yourself, you can make that for yourself, get ice hockey pucks, drill a hole in there, and that's protecting the car. So this one is connected to the 12-volt outlet, cigarette lighter outlet. You can lift it up, and then here is the new wheel already installed. So, and everything is nice and fine here, and here you can see it. The wheel looks good as well. With you, if you don't have that cap on, takes more energy. Here are black caps on top of it, and then you have his cycle. I have these caps in the middle, the center caps as well, what you can install. And here is a portable air there, which measuring the pressure as well. Don't forget to measure the pressure at the end. And what I have also is a pneumatic. It is, wait a second, where it is? Yeah, a pneumatic Husky screwer for that. So, yeah, that's all. And don't forget to do in your settings to go in the car and let the car learn the new wheel or the new tire or whatever you have there. You can go in there, and here is the cigarette lighter. We're going to take that out, we're going to need it anymore. That's the car jack, electrical car jack. And then under wheel RP, under service, reset TPMS sensors. I think it wants my fingers. Reset, learn new pressures or factory reset. And then here is the wheel configuration, and you confirm the 18-inch wheels. That's all what you need for that. Yeah, that is my most used repair. So changing the wheels, bringing the wheel to the wheel service there, express wheel service, get it powder coated, and installing it again.
I pressed and say